go. All the interiors. Alright guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows, here with the next episode. I'm still waiting on my shop press. Somehow it got damaged in delivery, so a little behind on that. But I'm waiting for that to come in. Should be here in the next day or two. And then I can tackle my hub bearings for the front. But right now I'm actually going to tackle a little issue that I've had for years. I've never really, again, I haven't had enough time to work on this car. But I'm going to tackle this window regulator. This thing is all jacked up in here and all that. I don't even know if it's on properly. So what I'm going to do is actually see if I can get this whole thing out. And I got some tint on here. I noticed when I was cleaning the windows the other day. I'm going to see if I can get that off too. So I got some work ahead of me here, and we'll see if I can tackle it. So stay tuned and let's get this window out. So I'm going to try to get this glass out first, which is 110mm bolt. And looking through this hole here, there's the other one. So I'm going to take those two out, and the window should come out, and the regulator's held on by a few bolts. And here, these four, and I believe one back here. And we'll maybe pop that out to see if that's damaged. And then I'm gonna have to order one, but until now, let's get this window out. So got the window out. There's a little chilly in the garage, so got my heater. Also got a heat gun. So hopefully I can get this tint peeled up and then get this window nice and clean and make it look good. So let me turn on this heat gun and see what I can do. And also I do have a scraper in case I need one. Hopefully the heat will actually work pretty good. And of course I got my glass cleaner and some paper towels. Alright, so the heat's working. I did have to use my razor blade in some areas. It is coming up. I'll continue to heat it up and then get this glue and stuff off. So I won't bore you guys with the entire process, but I do it to the whole piece of glass here, and this tint should come up. Then we'll get it clean. So give me a few minutes here, and I'll be back with you guys in about 1 second. And we're back. So I got all that off. You can kind of see the glue residue here. Took a couple minutes to get it up. Just take the heat gun and heat the glue up as you're pulling it up. A couple spots I had to kind of give myself a little jump start with the razor blade, but overall it came off pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now is put some Windex on it. I got my little scruff pad and hope I can get most of this glue off. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's a whole heck of a lot better. Still got to clean the other side, but I'll probably clean it off a little bit more. But the glue's gone, nice and smooth. I'll flip it over, clean the other side, and then see what it looks like. Alright, and there we have it. Nice and clean. Of course, I'll wipe it down again once I get it in the car. Of course, I get fingerprints on it, but it's definitely clean. Alright guys, so the window is clean. I'm going to try to put it in the car. Hopefully I can do it with no problem. Hopefully I can get it on track. We'll see how it goes. So let me grab my window, see if I can get it in, and we'll get it going. Alright, so I did notice that I got some broken pieces up in here. So it's hard for me to get it on track even though I got it even, so I'm probably gonna have to replace the whole window regulator. So let me pull this glass back out and we'll pull this regulator out. So I figured out my problem is the grommet that holds this piece on. So the railing here is broken. But that side's still pretty good. So it's supposed to kind of fit in there and slide back and forth. But since that doesn't stay in there, it's all messed up. So can't get my window installed today, but I'll order some parts and we'll get it done. So unfortunately I didn't get the window in, but just like with anything with this car, I got a billion things to get done with it. So I'll get this window taken care of and tighten up this interior. I'm trying to think about what kind of seats I want to get. I want to get all white seats, but they seem to be hard to find, mixed with the black on the back. And of course I thought about changing the shift boot to white, of course naturally the steering wheel, but kind of thinking about getting some black seats and maybe a black steering wheel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's going on. So naturally I got a motor here, the spring, a D16Z6, which I'm gonna start to rebuild. The Del Sol here, I did kind of clean it up a little bit to kind of give everybody a little update. Didn't do the windows yet. But I got some work to be done with this, but this thing's about ready to go. All the interior is all done, everything's done. Just waiting on the motor. So hopefully we can get that in and I can shut my door. So I got plenty of stuff to do. I've been cleaning up the garage a little bit, making it more easier to work on stuff. I got my little parts section over here for the Civic. Random transmission if anybody needs one. But I got some stuff going. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. Kind of got the engine bay cleaned up a little bit. I need to find me a hood so I can get that done. Kind of mocked up the side skirt. Same ones as on the Del Sol. And of course, a couple things I need to do here just to give everybody a little update is that you can't really tell. Maybe you can tell. Maybe if I get down. But there's a little gap here. You can kind of get a finger in there. And I'm thinking about building this up with some fiberglass, putting a few layers, kind of bringing it up a little bit, kind of reinforcing that. I like to reinforce some of this anyways. This is an older bumper, as well as I got a crack here I got to fix. And then I got some body work, some mud work to do. Finish up the undercarriage, get all that tightened up, and I really want to get this interior done. Install a stereo and all that good stuff, but yeah, it's coming along. Alright guys, so a little quick video. Not a whole lot of progress today. It is kind of cold out here in the garage, but yeah, I have started to tighten up the undercarriage. I got to get some of the overspray off the fuel lines, some of the lines, brake lines, and I want to tighten that up, get the heat shield put back on, finish up putting the exhaust on, make sure that's nice and tight, and then I should be good to go. We'll drop it on the ground and hopefully I'll be able to get it started again here and maybe get it for a test drive. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Little quick video. Just want to keep you guys updated on what's going on with the Del Sol. I do have a motor actually being built. That was actually before I made the channel, so it's been some time. This thing is ready to go. I do want to get the motor done. So I'm going to make a call tomorrow, check on that. I've been busy. A lot of outside work with the snowstorms we had here in Maryland, so trying to get things done. So we'll keep you guys updated. But again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, like, comment. You know, let me know what you think about the black and the white interior. All your comments are welcome, so I appreciate that. But until next time we'll tackle the hubs. I should have my shop press in. Everything should be ready to go. We'll tighten up some undercarriage stuff, and we'll be good to go. So please hit that like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.